necessary, as a measure of precaution, to mobilize the Navy, the Air Force, the Army, and the anti-aircraft divisions, and to give warning of mobilization to all territorial units and the Chief Air Raid Precautions officers. All lights must be screened, and windows and other openings must be covered to prevent lights being seen from the outside. Warning of an impending air raid will be given by hooters and sirens. The warning will consist of an intermittent fluctuating note for 2 minutes. When the raid is past, a continuous and sustained signal for a further 2 minutes will be sounded. The distribution of gas masks will be completed by midnight tonight, and in addition to the arrangements already made by local authorities for shelters, a large system of trenches is now nearly finished.
The last crisis almost led to a European war. Already we are forgetting it. Already we are forgetting how close war came. We want to work in peace and forget all about war. But we must not forget. We must remember and prepare. We must face the possibility that next time...
Read all about the crisis, raid warning.
Enemy bombers travel at hundreds of miles an hour. Every town is a target. Any town is a target. This is Nottingham.
MVQ, calling all patrols. Air raid warning, clear all streets and stop incoming traffic. Heading in this direction. ARP personnel should report to their centers without delay. You should take shelter immediately. You still have 18 minutes. Stay on the cover until the all clear is sounded. This is most important. Please take shelter now.
No time now for asking what to do, where to go. No time now for further training and organization. The hour of trial is upon us.
Chief Air Warden, Division 4 speaking. All volunteers are reporting.
Auxiliary Fire Station number 12, calling headquarters. All fire patrols away.
Division 4 speaking. All streets under patrol.
Central Division here. All services ready.
Bearing 90, angle 45.
Height pilot 10,000. Good your target. Height 10,000 set.
Height 10,000 set.
Vertical steady.
Lateral steady.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Use 14.
Fire!
On bearing. R7 calling. 2 enemy bombers brought down near Littleworth. R7 calling. 2 enemy bombers brought down near Littleworth.
Still they come. A second wave of attacking squadrons, while the first attack is still at its height. Will there be a third wave of attack and a fourth? More enemy planes are on their way. But how many? 20 or 50 or 150?
Aircraft out of range. Enemy aircraft heading northwest. Our position EITT.
19 operations room, serial number B6, date 17-2, 19 squadron, number of enemy aircraft 15, raid from the east, height 15,000 feet.
An enemy raid has been reported approaching the coast of Yarmouth. A flight, your patrol from Cromer to Norwich. B flight, Norwich to South Wold. Further orders by radio. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
All right, off you go. The Royal Air Force takes up the challenge. British fighter planes go up. machines, incredibly fast. They are on their way to meet the enemy bombers. Wait a sighted.
On, B3 calling.
On.
Enemy raiders over New York, altitude 12,000.
Raiders reported 3 minutes away, sir. 3.
They're standing by now.
Better stand by here. They're coming now.
Air raid damage. Warren Y1 speaking. Junction of Grafton Road and Midland Road. HE. 9 casualties. None trapped. Road leading to railway bridge blocked. Damage to sewers. 1205 hours. Message ends.
Hello, police headquarters. Air raid damage. Control center speaking. Traffic control necessary.
They are on their way to meet the enemy bombers.
Hello, Center. S3 calling. Flight Hurricane, scene 8178, direction southeast.
Air raid damage. Control center speaking. Clear road and repair mains.
Fire Brigade headquarters. Air raid damage. Control center speaking. Road between fire station and police station impassable.
Ambulance depot. Air raid damage. Control center speaking. 9 casualties. None trapped. Send ambulance.
Air raid damage. Warden Y2 speaking. 83 High Street. HE casualties probably heavy. Gas mains damaged. High Street completely blocked. Some panic. 1300 hours. Message ends.
Our engineer. Air raid damage. Control center speaking. High Street completely blocked. Gas mains damaged. Clear road and repair mains.
Police headquarters. Air raid damage. High Street completely blocked. Traffic control necessary.
Ambulance depot. Air raid damage.
Overland on Britons House, Oakley Street, lead side.
Right. Stand by for ambulance and rescue party and resume patrol.
Lines are broken.
No. Messenger left 5 minutes ago. Should be there by now.
I'm still trying to get through. I can get no reply.
Air raid damage. Warden Y3 speaking. Queen's Works. HE. 20 casualties. 1410 hours. Message ends.
Air raid damage. 20 casualties.
Air raid damage.
Casualties heavy. Send ambulances.
Mustard gas.
Mustard gas. Vernon Road.
Warn all street round Vernon Road to take gas precautions.
Traces of mustard gas.
Canal Street, the inside.
Mustard gas, Vernon Road.
Large area contaminated.
Air Raid damage. Warden's post. X-Force speaking. Liquid poison gas. Liquid poison gas. Several casualties. Water main leaking badly.
Traces of gas reported from Denham and Chapel Street. Send a decontamination squad and tell them to advise us of areas contaminated.
Orleanside anti-gas section, reporting all squads in protective clothing and ready to move off.
Warn first aid post in section 12 that walking cases may be contaminated.
Hello, Centre. On. A12 calling. Another flight, enemy bombers seen, 8399. On. Flying southwest. On. Height, 18,000.
More and still more.
Reporting high explosive bomb, corner of Dover Street.
Town is right. Street department. Right.
Headquarters, Warden Post 18, Division 2. Water mains burst on Johns Road.
HE bomb Rapid Road. HE bomb Rapid Road.
HE bomb Latimer Street, 2 houses wrecked.
Rescue from Latimer. Temple Berry.
Get on to High Street. Tell them to send all the support they can.
Casualties? No damage to water or electric main.
Hello, Carrington. Send an ambulance squad down to Seagull Road. Yes, rescue party on the way.
Large number of incendiary bombs, Waterford Street. Serious fire.
Send 3 trailer pumps down to Waterford Street to deal with incendiary bombs.
Reporting incendiary bomb in James Street.
On number 12 Alberton Street. Big fire. More help needed.
Fire out of control lower Parliament Street. More help needed.
Get another fire floor down to Canal Street.
squadrons to the attack. More and still more.
Raiders in retreat and heading for coast.
Raiders pass, sir.
Raiders pass.
Number 12, let me have your report now. Raiders pass.
MVQ, calling all patrol. Raiders pass. Stand by for all clear.
Fire in Canal Street under control.
Fire, Canal Street, under control. Send 3 ambulances over from Hyson's Green and 3 demolition squads. Warn Radford AFS station to divert outgoing fire patrols. Send them round by Everton Road. Central Division need more help. Transport, get through to Hyson Green. Tell them to send all the help they can through to Section 16. Tell them Waverley Street's blocked.
Bradford Road clear of debris and open for traffic.
I'll repeat that. Bradford Road clear of debris.
Well, Bangkok Hospital. Here's the casualty.
Transport. Go ahead with evacuation plans as soon as streets are reported clear of debris. Won't be long now. Superintendent, carry on, please. I must report to London. Oh, if Bedford Street's still blocked, send 2 more gangs down. Better send another tractor as well. We must get these streets clear.
Raiders reported over coast, sir.
All right, we can go ahead now. Get the trailer pumps to that depot. Keep specials out till further notice. And air raid wardens report back to their centers.
Wardens report all Section Central Division under control, sir.
Make sure that all their reports are in. Doctor, send a rescue party and 2 ambulances. Let the hospitals know what to expect. available gangs onto roping off unsafe buildings.
Let us be thankful that there is still time to train and prepare. There is still time for each one of us to learn his job. Here is Sir John Anderson, Lord Privy Seal, who is the minister charged with the responsibility for civil defence. Sir John Anderson.
The picture you have just seen has given you an idea of the horrors of modern warfare. It has also shown you in action the great services that have been created for your defence. The Royal Navy, the Army, the Royal Air Force, the police, and the various services which are grouped under the familiar name of ARP. War today involves not only the fighting services, as it did in the past, but the whole population. And the people must be organized for their own defense. This means service. Service for security. And the better we are prepared to meet a hostile attack, the less likely it is that an attack will be made. But we must be prepared, and it is the duty of every one of us to consider what part he or she can best play. You have all now seen the Guide to National Service, which the government has distributed to every home in the country. I invite you to study it. And if you are not satisfied that you are already doing everything that your country might reasonably expect of you, to make up your mind where your duty lies and act. We want to see the ranks filled, and then behind them, reserves ready to step into vacancies. Your country calls upon you for your own protection and the protection of your families and your friends. It is a call which I am confident will evoke a heartening response.